How to check battery health on Android. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can check your battery health on your Android device. Now, checking your battery health on your Android device is very essential because it will make you know when it's time for a battery replacement or an upgrade. And also, battery health is also the same thing as checking your battery usage. Okay, so you can know how fast your battery power is draining or not. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to open your Android device and then launch the settings application. So after launching the settings application, the next step is to navigate through and look for the battery option if you can see it here. But if you can see it directly or vividly or amongst the options being displayed in the search box, just type out battery. Alright, battery, and click on the search icon and wait for it to load. So once that's loaded, all of the options related to battery will be displayed, and the next thing is to navigate through to battery usage and click on it. So after clicking on battery usage or battery settings, you can see battery usage, so click on it, and then you'll be brought to the page where you can see all of how far your battery has been used. So here you can now find details about your battery status over the last 24 hours and which apps have been consuming the most power. For me, it is WhatsApp, and then you can see other applications that have consumed power in the past, and then you can also see how far the battery has been used. And then from here, you can now monitor your battery health if it is healthy or not. So this is basically how to do it, all right? This is how you can monitor or check your battery health on Android devices. Thanks for watching and have a good day.